Hello guys and welcome back to another trade recap. As you can see, I'm up for the day. Not deserved though, I'll show you guys why. I took one trade and then took one other that wasn't a setup trade. Today is FOMC later, so that's probably why we've been shopping so much pre-FOMC, so maybe shouldn't even have been trading today. So what happened in the bigger picture, we have made a 4-hour cyst and we have this big 4-hour inversion. So my idea was I was very bearish for the day, wanting to go down, but I think market is just waiting for FOMC, to be honest, for the press conference and what Powell and all those dudes will say. So coming into the day, Asia just ran up a little bit, mostly accumulating. London as well, just accumulating. So then we had this high, which was within the 4-hour bearish fair value gap, which I want to see get swept to then catch a short. That was my idea for the day. Go up, sweep, and then catch a short. And preferably happen right at open, we manipulate up, then go down. But that didn't happen. We ended up going down first, and I've noticed like almost always the first move we make right now is manipulation to then go the other way. So we went down, we just accumulated, and at open we went down, we swept London low right here with a small 1-hour bullish fair value gap, and also this like 5-minute and stuff. So we swept, and here I was like, do I want to catch a long? I was leaning towards a long, but the cyst was so high up, and I was gonna wait for the cyst, which happened right there. So we were up here, so that was way too high for me. Okay, yeah, I'm just retarded. But we made this 2-minute bullish value gap, but I was too scared to enter right there, which would have been a good entry right there. SL TP like 1 to 1.5. Yeah, but I was like, where should I have my SL? If it's down here, it's too bad RR and stuff like that. So it was a good setup. We made an SMT, but it was just too choppy, and I did realize in hindsight that we made a 30-minute cyst right here, so you could have taken an entry right there. After that, momentum candle up, SL like right there, TP, or you could even have SL right there to get a 1 to 2. But I'm just not confident enough to go on the 30-second. Maybe I should look into it. But however, I didn't take this long. Instead, I waited, and we made what I want to see. We swept both these highs, London high and this high, made SMT with ES, moved down, inversed this shit. I was planning on first taking a short here, but we never retraced. So once we made a cyst in the 1 minute, disrespected this 2 minute, which had previously been respected, and also made a 2-minute cyst. I entered short with my target being previous day low. And as you can see, we just chopped that entry a bit and ran straight up to SL. So I took 5 contracts, so I lost around $300 that trade. And then I just geeked out and took 25 contracts long, took 10 points, made $500 or $450 or something. That's how I'm up for the day. So it's not deserved profit. But why this didn't work, I think, is, like I said, pre-FOMC, so we aren't gonna hunt big liquidities, only just gonna take intraday liquidity, like we have been. And also, so we're just gonna be stuck in this range until FOMC, I think. So that's one big reasoning. And also, we ran down at open, we took out liquidity to the downside, then ran up, took liquidity to the upside. So price doesn't really have to hunt more liquidity, or it should hunt more, but FOMC, so once we take drawn liquidity and drawn liquidity, it's just much more low probability to take a trade, since our draws on liquidity have been hit, 2 of them. So yeah, I don't know if the markets are weird or if I'm just really bad, but I can't seem to get a win. Right now, I don't know. I'm down to 50% win rate here. Lost today. Small loss yesterday. Then I did take a win here. But yeah, I don't know. It's just so hard. I don't know why. It should be so easy, because right now I think my problem is just my entry. Like, yeah, this is what I wanted to see. Sweep SMT. It happened. So couldn't have just taken my entry right there. But yeah, fuck, it wouldn't have changed anything. But maybe this long I could have taken, but I was hesitant since we disrespected this 1 minute. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe I think I need to just try to better my entries, since most times when it hits SL, I have a really bad entry, like yesterday. Yeah. But that was a trade recap for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.